Okay, folks, I'm going to cut that piece off right here flush with this guy to keep it flat. Yeah, folks, I got to cut off that 8-inch pipe also. Right about there. Yeah, it's going to be the base part for the wind turbine. Let's give it a spin. Side of it, I'm gonna cut away a piece here so I can fold the mast pull down. So that's what I'm doing with these two pieces of pipe. That's right. Okay, I never explain things very well, probably. That's one of my downfalls. But anyway, this pipe's a 1/4 inch thick. It's a 6-inch piece. It's a 4-inch piece, 1/4 inch thick. Should make for a very good mast for the wind turbine. You can see I got that one big old bolt through there. But yeah, it's got to be able to, the whole mast has got to be able to tip this way, right? Yeah, then if I got to work on it, you can lower the thing down, you know, pull out the other two bolts and then lower it down on this one. All right, so it'll flex slightly. So I want it to smash it a little bit so you can get on the pole too, you know, so everything's firm. And of course it's got guy wires, so it's going to keep it from wiggling and stuff, but yeah. Just working out the details on this end first. Yeah. It's another day I'm trying to recover. I'm trying to recover from yesterday. Peace, baby. Prospector Tripp. Yeah, working on my my wind turbine action here. Yeah, this big guy gonna be in the ground about 2.5, 3 feet. Gonna be sticking up about 3 feet. You can see the cutaway there where the bolt goes through. The pivot point is right here with my shadow on my finger. There it is, right there. These 2 points are the locking points, right? Once you rotate the thing back up, you know, there's the only reason I got it like that at all is because you got to have a way to get to it once it's up in the air or something goes kaflooey. The guy rings up here, you know, where it's stabilized with cables, you know, three cables to keep it from flying all over the place. Pretty heavy. That's a 4-inch pipe. It's a 4-inch and then a 1/4 inch thick. Yeah, very, very tough compared to a lot of guys who are using this kind of stuff. Which, yeah, boy, it's like a rubber band. compared to that. There's the hole, folks. I'm just gonna play around with this a little bit here. I don't cement it just yet, but pretty close. We're getting close. So yeah, before we wrap it up, this is the position I'm gonna put this dude in. I dug a hole. It's about 2 by 2 by 2 cube, maybe a little bit more. Anyway, just sitting there. Let me get back here a little bit. Take it easy, Josephita. Fine. Fine. Get out of those feathers, you mutt. Hot killed a dove out there. I picked up about 90% of it. There's some feathers too. Anyway, back to the story. Yeah, I'm gonna put that dude right here. Straight though, not at an angle. And anyway, just test fit it a little bit before we press forward too much. I want to clean that dude up and paint it, and then I'll cement it in right there, nice and straight. And that other piece, of course, will bolt right up to it. I'll flip that mast up. I'm gonna have some kind of bracket up there, nothing too heavy duty, just enough to hold it. And anyway, then I'll have the guy wires running out here somewhere convenient here where it won't be a tripping hazard. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, is it up to spec? Are we doing good? Everything fine? She goes, yeah, fine. That's fine work. That's fine work. How about you? You don't care, huh? Yeah, just fly the frisbee, dude. And you, Stella, get out of them feathers. I told you, you mutt. Get, hey! Yes, there you go. Good. Okay, all right. Be spared. So this is the mounting plate for the turbine. I'm gonna weld that dude on there, just about like that. And of course the turbine will be about 6 feet on top of that, right? It's about 6 feet tall, so it's hard to see for you guys, I'm sure, but this pipe, this mast pipe, I measured it and it came out to be about 20. Show you guys, yeah, I'll show you guys. So, yeah, so it's 20 feet right to that hole, pretty much, which is the pivot point hole. So the whole thing is you got to work on something. And so the turbine is in fact 6 feet taller than that. So yeah, it'll be 26 feet plus whatever, I guess about 3 feet there. So yeah, we don't measure that too. Just measure this dude from ground height to that bottom hole. It is what, a smidge over 2 feet. So yeah, so roughly 2 feet on top of that. So yeah, 26, 27, 28 to the top. 28 feet. Yeah, this is son of tank. It's not tank, but it's son of tank. Works pretty good, especially on flat ground. I had big knobbies that jerk on, I'd go off-roading with it. Took it back to the prep and paint zone. And that's about a wrap.